Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the engine safe and accessible. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts, then jack up the front and support the truck on stands so you can work under the bumper. Once done, remove the lower splash shield for clear access to the radiator bottom. Now place a drain pan under the radiator and open the petcock or loosen the lower hose to drain coolant. You want most fluid out so hoses and clamps are easier to remove without a mess. You'll next remove the hoses and electricals. Loosen clamps on both upper and lower radiator hoses and carefully pull them off, catching residual coolant. If your Explorer has an automatic transmission, disconnect the transmission cooler lines, cap them to minimize fluid loss. Then unplug the cooling fan connectors and remove the fan shroud or fans to free space. Finally, unbolt the radiator mounting bolts and lift the radiator straight upward. Take care not to damage the AC condenser or cooling fins when extracting it from the core support. Install the new radiator by lowering it carefully into place and bolting the mounts to factory torque so it seats without stress. Reconnect transmission cooler lines if removed, then push on upper and lower hoses and secure with new clamps. Reinstall the fan shroud and fans. Reconnect the battery and refill the system with a correct 50/50 ethylene glycol coolant mix. Start the engine, set the heater to high to help bleed air, watch the temperature, and inspect.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.